Do you know, I'm just sitting here wondering how many of you are taking a sneak peek at this video because you're not sure about what the operator is or what the symbol is for multiplication or division. And to be honest, that's fair enough. The other thing, I know that in different countries, when you write multiplication, you use different notation. I know over in the States, you'll use a dot in between the two values. In the UK, for example, it will be a cross, like the letter X, and the same here in Australia as well. So I am conscious in different countries, we all do different things, but hopefully you can follow along with this video. And let's get started with a multiplication. So new file, it's multiplication.php. Again, remember that extension. Start with your PHP code block and off we go. And again, we'll have the first number. Let's put this equal to 10. We'll have the second number. Again, let's put this equal, I don't know, 20 will do. And let's store our answer in a variable called result. And the result is equal to the first number. Now, if you're not sure, the multiplication symbol is the asterisk. And on my keyboard, I have to press Shift and 8. So that's a little star symbol. And then we're doing the second number and then the semicolon. And as before, we can just echo out that result, semicolon to finish, and then over to the browser. And we just need to go back to that main directory there and click on multiplication. And then we get the answer 200. Now, as before, I could do some concatenation on here. Hopefully you can figure out how to do that yourself. If you get stuck, all you need to do is go back to one of the addition or subtractions. You could copy these. So I'll copy that from there. Go to multiplication. We'll just echo in that break first of all. And then we're multiplying the first number. We are multiplying. And again, in the UK, Australia, etc., they'll put a cross. We've got the second number and equals. This time it's going to equal the result. Across to the browser, refresh. And then 10 multiplied by 20 is 200. Again, put the symbol in for multiplication in your country. Whatever you feel you need to put in, you can put in there. I did say we're going to do division as well in this lesson. Let's go ahead and do that. So new file, we'll do division.php. Again, we'll do a PHP code block. We will have the first number. And let's put that equal to 300. Second number. Obviously, you can choose whatever values you want for these. Let's choose 10. And then we'll put the result again. We'll store that result is going to be equal to the first number. Now, division is the forward slash like that. And it's going to be the second number, semicolon. And then we can just echo out that result. Go across to the browser. Again, we'll have to switch to the division file. So go back to the directory, click on division, and there we get the result. And once again, we can do a similar sort of thing. I'll just paste it in from before. We have the first number. This time we are dividing by the second number, and we are getting the result. And we'll go across, we'll refresh, and there we go. 300 divided by 10 is 30. Now, if you want to do a little bit of an extension, what you could do is start to bring the operators from addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division into a single file and do some output, some concatenation based on that, just for a little bit of practice. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.